you so much for taking the time to listen to our really exciting announcement of the Department for Transport's AI Hackathon in Transport, which we're going to be delivering in partnership with Google Cloud and PA Consulting. My name's Sarah Sharples, and I'm the Chief Scientific Advisor for the Department for Transport. And I'm really proud that this is one of the first events that will really signify the actions that are being delivered as part of our Transport AI strategy, which you will be able to read about in hopefully the next few weeks. The Transport AI strategy is a really important document for us in the Department for Transport and for the transport sector more generally, because it sets out our understanding and reflection of the wider government and industry AI strategy, and really sets out a bit of a call to action to the transport sector, saying we recognise that there are lots of really important players within the world of transport artificial intelligence. We need to all work together if we're going to make sure that AI can deliver the really important impacts of growing the economy, of delivering the environmental impacts reduction that we need to achieve in transport, and improving transport for all of those who use it. So it's really brilliant for us to be working with Google and with PA on this important activity. Google, of course, bring over a decade of expertise in artificial intelligence, and that context within the technology sector that is so important for us to engage with in transport. And then PA, of course, with their industry knowledge, can really, really help us make sure that the challenges that we bring from a transport point of view that will be addressed within the hackathon are grounded in the reality of the delivery of transport, whether it's a local, national, or international level. So I'm going to hand now over to David and Jocasta, who are going to tell you a little bit more about the DFT AI Hackathon.
Cool. Hi, everybody. David Oliver, Global Head of Transport for PA. I'm going to join the Excited Club. I think it's really, really awesome as a company who've got bringing ingenuity to life at their core to be up here on stage with Google and with the government department DFT, looking at where we can deploy AI to solve the most pressing problems for transport. And I was going to spend a little bit of time, we were just recapping some of the use cases earlier on today, and we've got AI being deployed to address climate change. We've got massive changes and improvements being made in maintenance and OEMs and asset management, which are really transformative. We've got Google deploying Project Dartmouth, which is making airports safer now as we fly. So actually, the opportunity to be working with DFT, with all of your data, and this really only works with the more of you who are engaged and involved, be it in transport or beyond transport, drawing on the wider industry knowledge. Actually, this is a really exciting opportunity to accelerate, as actually, I think for me, AI's reached that tipping point where it's becoming a real transformative driver of transport, full stop, rather than transport and the sort of edge of technology. So really pleased to be here, really grateful to you both for having us here, and really looking forward to seeing all the ideas come forward from the crowd.
Superb. Thank you, David, and thank you, Sarah. We really, really appreciate both of your organisations' support in helping us kind of bring this hackathon to life. So we're really excited. So on the 15th and 16th of May, we'll be running a 2-day hack. We're hopefully going to get over 150 hackers all working together to build vast arrays of solutions to tackle decarbonisation and to also look at improving passenger experience. And now, AI, as we all know, has exploded over the last 12 months, and I was here at the last interchange that we did in Birmingham, and we didn't really talk about generative AI at all, and we only kind of scraped the surface of AI. So we know that we're releasing updates really, really quickly. It's really difficult for me to keep up, so I've got no idea how you guys are keeping up with it. So this is also a really important learning experience for everybody in the industry to kind of come together and see what's possible with AI. Now, within Google Cloud, as Sarah's mentioned, we've been doing AI and generative AI for a decade. We were the ones that invented the transformer technology that allows Gen AI to exist. So we're really, really happy to be involved And we're well known for our technology, but we're also really well known for our innovation and creativity, and that's what we want to bring. We want everybody to come together and bring that innovation and bring that creativity into the transport industry, because we know that that's what you guys want, and we know that you want to evolve and change the transport industry for the better. Now, what you might not know about Google is that we're an engineering company at heart. We have our own network that we have to look after and we have to support, and we've developed loads of technologies using AI to enable us to do that. So we couldn't be more excited. Now, here is how to get involved. So you'll notice a QR code that's appeared magically on the screen above us. So please sign up there. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be running a number of training days prior to the hack itself so that you can get yourself familiarized with the Google Cloud technologies. You can also bring your own data to the hackathon, and you can test that data in those training days, make sure that it's in the right formats and it's clean and it all works so that you can actually get on the 2-day hack and actually just do the job. We are then going to, as I said, have the 2-day hack on the 15th and 16th of May. That will be at our Tottenham Court Road offices, and we'll have lightning talks, we'll have a social in the evening of that first day, and then the top awarded hacks will then go through to the Data Science in Transport Conference, which is a DFT-hosted conference. We will be hosting DFT on that day in our King's Cross offices, and that's when the final judgment for the winning hack will be made. So a really great campaign of innovation and creativity lasting us all the way through to June. So I think that's a really, really positive step forward. So thank you.
Thank you all. And
Thanks,
we really look forward to all of your participation. Thank you.
Brilliant. Thank you.
Thank you.